I've watched a lot of Tesla videos lately, and I haven't really found a good one that talks about the rear wheel Model 3 in the snow. I live in Michigan. There can be a lot of snow. And as you can see here, it is snowing, and we're driving regularly in good snow with a slight covering on the road. My experience with the rear-wheel drive electric vehicles is the weight is evenly distributed throughout the car, and they handle quite well in the snow. The only consideration is if you had 4 or 5 inches of snow and you had to go up a hill. I haven't really tested that because the roads are pretty well plowed around here. So, but for the most part, Kia EV6 and a Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive, no problems. And even a Volkswagen ID4 rear-wheel drive, haven't had much of a problem with snowy roads.